And today in this video, we are gonna be looking at the 3 popular zoo mods. So we got the Zawa mod, I like these lions, and the Mo Creatures mod, and the Zoocraft Discoveries mod, and the ZAWA mod. So let's begin. Oh god, we've seen some bears. How are you doing? Look. Oh god, we've got some horses and there's lions trying to hunt them. Also, yeah, I'm gonna keep on downloading stuff. Oh, look at the little goats. Not gonna lie, guys, these goats are scary cute. Look at the baby ones. Oh, I like them. But we're gonna make an enclosure about these guys over there, the elephants. And yeah, I I cracked my bone. I cracked a bone in my ankle. But that's just for exercising. I always exercise in my videos. Oh, it's the species of polar bear. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Polar bears will eat me if they get the chance. Okay, let's start. It's too thick. I can't even tell what's going on. So I had to go over in there. I can't even believe. Oh no. These guys are running away from poachers right now. Tigers. Tigers. Now we've got the cobblestone wall, not war. World War WWE. If I just discipline freaking, yeah, that's one I like. Do yo, man, these shorts are on steroids. 23,000. Oh god. These monsters will look for their own food. I don't think they will come up to find me. We have just decided that we are gonna build a zoo for all the villagers that love elephants. So I decided, why not build a zoo for these villagers? Here, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you, and I didn't mean to hit you twice. I don't care how you feel. I I hate building zoos, but I love zoos. I just want to see my favorite place on earth. The elephants won't jump up there. The elephants are just gonna eat their own food, okay, villagers? Yeah, there's like hundreds of thousands of elephants in yeah, that's what I in the zoo. You can see 5 or 10. I only saw 3 in my place in Dublin Zoo. Okay, I'm not gonna have to believe. I'm just. Oh God. Just a quick reminder that elephants wander away in trees. These trees are fragile. No, they're not fragile. They are really complicated. Where did that tiger come from, bro? You're not supposed to be in today's... They will normally attack anyone. Anything. Tigers are way more worse than what we thought they would be. Like, I can't believe how many tigers killed. I'm just a year. So I'm gonna get a diamond sword and try to kill the tiger. Get out. There. I'm not, that's parenting. But I should get you out. Get out. Fat tiger butt. Let's begin. So we got the African elephant from the Zawa mod. Feel any... See, they just love their new enclosures. Maybe if I had to spawn in... I made a barrier so you won't jump up on anything. I kind of wanna have to upgrade myself, but that's the reason. That's the reason why these elephants love. And let's see the comparison between the elephant from the Mo Creatures mod. Sorry for my hand. Wake up. There's just literally wake up. There's, oh god, lions are sleeping too. I thought they were nocturnal. I guess you can already see the elephants are sleeping. Oh god, the elephant is sleeping right now. Their ears move too, which is fascinating, or not fascinating. But they have smaller ears than their African cousins. Look at the Mo Creatures one. It was like, thank you for adding my brother. There's a difference. Oh, there's a baby elephant. And the elephant has a baby too. Oh, wait a second. You can't do babies? You can't do babies anymore? Okay, he literally trumpets too, which is good. See, the babies are so good. The ants are. Let's spawn another elephant over here. It's a Sri Lankan elephant. And there's the endangered African elephant. 2 babies. Oh, there's the African boy. And let's spawn the 1, 2, and 3 African elephants over there. And 1 species. And 1, 2 Asian elephants. How good are they? Whoa! They're all so big. Let me spawn the babies. Oh, look! I want to see what... Bro, there's 2 African... I'm gonna spawn in a lot more. There's like a lot of elephants I spawned. There's no... I like both models of elephants. They are really good. The size is so insane. You can obviously, oh god, you can already see one so much. Like, dang, They are as good as anything. They are dead good. They are huge. Look at them. Look at me. I'm like tiny compared to these elephants. Yeah. The villagers are gonna get hardly gonna suffer from these elephants. They're big compared to this villager too. Oh God. Yeah, we love elephants too, but don't that doesn't mean that they're gonna come inside. Oh my God. An elephant went close to my face. So, how many villagers got in? I like the models of the elephants. You let the elephants decided to eat you. But they're not gonna really eat you. They're just gonna have to like stomp on your face. That's gonna be insane. Right? Right, villagers? You are Yeah, there's a lot of elephants in this zoo. This is like the most. I love their sounds and I love their sizes. Also, they run around so quickly, which is probably why I had to put them here in this cage. And there's two Asian elephants sitting over there, and there's an African elephant and his brother. Like, I know the different types. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Yeah, I added in the elephants from the two famous mods. So, anyways, guys, we have in the next video we're gonna add in the giraffes. Oh God, this guy escaped. Okay, anyways, guys, this is me signing off.